Locate your HDMI display screen up to 150 feet away from the HDMI source when using 24 AUG, solid wire Cat6 cabling. Supports video resolutions up to 1080p, 24 Hz, or 1080i, 60 Hz. Transfers both digital video and audio signals. HDCP compliant. Top reviews from the United States. I bought this unit to replace a marginal run of HDMI cable, about 25 long with one wall plate. The original installation had another 4 feet of HDMI cable and another wall plate. I am running video and audio from a media PC to a wall-mounted flat-screen TV. The first implementation had some problems with signal quality. I rerouted things to cut out a HDMI wall connector and a short of cable to get acceptable performance. As part of debugging what turned out to be a graphics card problem, I changed out the HDMI and wall run with this conversion unit, using some Cat5 cable I already had in the scrap box. It was easy to install since I already had all the holes drilled for routing, and a cable in place to pull the new wires with. The connections were easy with the included cable stripper and clear markings on the backside of the wall plates. The installation worked fine on the first try and gets back to the original tidy look with wall plates on both ends of the cable run. I could also talk myself that the new installation is slightly better than the previous, but the change would be pretty small by mere observation. Because the core problem was not the cable, the main benefit to me is the tidy appearance and that it worked right after a simple installation.